In the age of American muscle, three giants battled for supremacy: Ford, GM, Chrysler. Their names echoed like thunder. But then, a smaller contender dared to step into the arena. A company with less money, fewer resources, but an unyielding spirit. This is the story of American Motors Corporation. Their audacious challenge, their ultra-rare machines, and the final, thrilling fight that etched their legacy into automotive history. Prepare for the ultimate David versus Goliath tale. 1969 AMC Hurst Superstock AMX. By the late 1960s, if you wanted to truly compete with the sheer horsepower and aggressive marketing of the Big Three, you couldn't just build another muscle car. You had to build a weapon. AMC, despite its underdog status, understood this perfectly. They turned to the legendary Hurst Performance, a name synonymous with drag racing and high-performance modifications, for a collaboration that would send shockwaves through the automotive world. The 1969 AMC Hurst Superstock AMX. This wasn't some optional package you simply ticked on a dealer sheet. This was a factory-sanctioned, turnkey, race-ready missile built for one singular purpose: total domination on the drag strip. With only 52 units ever produced, it remains one of the most exclusive, potent, and brutally effective muscle cars of its era, a true testament to AMC's audacity. What made it so singularly special, and why did it become an instant legend among racers? Every Superstock AMX began its life as a standard AMX, but was then shipped directly from the Kenosha, Wisconsin factory to Hurst facility in Michigan for a radical, no-compromise transformation. The already light body received further weight savings with lightweight fiberglass fenders and hood, replacing the heavier steel components. The interior was stripped to the absolute bare essentials: a single driver's bucket seat, minimal gauges, and a mandatory roll bar. No creature comforts here, just pure, unadulterated speed. Power came from AMC's formidable 390 cubic inch V8, but it was far from stock. Each engine was meticulously blueprinted, hand-assembled, and fitted with high-performance components, like a high-rise aluminum intake manifold, a massive Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and a specialized cam profile. The transmission was a bulletproof Borg-Warner 10 4-speed manual, driving a stout twin-grip rear axle to ensure every ounce of power hit the pavement. This car wasn't just fast, it was a defiant statement. It was AMC directly challenging the established order, proving that their engineering prowess and tenacious spirit could produce a machine capable of beating the best the giants had to offer right out of the box. Its extreme rarity today is a direct consequence of its uncompromising, singular vision as a dedicated race car. At the very core of AMC's muscle machines, powering their audacious challenges, were their robust V8 engines. These were power plants often unjustly overlooked, living in the shadow of the colossal Hemi and thunderous Boss engines from the Big Three. Yet, they were engineering marvels in their own right. The 390 cubic inch V8, in particular, was a formidable unit, known for producing up to 340 horsepower in its most potent stock configurations. But the true engineering unsung hero, a testament to AMC's innovative spirit and commitment to performance, arrived in 1971, the 401 cubic inch V8. This engine, often called the King of the AMCs, was legendary for its inherently strong design, featuring distinctive thick main-bearing caps and exceptionally strong connecting rods built to withstand immense stresses. Unlike some of its rivals, which sometimes suffered from reliability issues when pushed hard, AMC's V8s were renowned for their inherent durability and impressive torque delivery across the RPM range, making them exceptional platforms for both street performance and drag racing modifications. These engines weren't just about raw numbers. They represented a blend of thoughtful, robust design and rugged engineering, consistently proving that AMC could build power plants capable of standing toe-to-toe with the industry's best in terms of reliability, power, and longevity. They were efficient, powerful, and a testament to AMC's commitment to delivering real muscle. Beyond the sheer brawn under the hood, the AMX itself was a masterclass in distinctive, defiant design. In a market utterly dominated by larger, more conventional 2+2 coupes and sedans, AMC took a daring leap by introducing a truly unique two-seater muscle car. This compact, aggressive stance, combined with its exceptionally long hood and short, almost truncated rear deck, gave the AMX an unmistakable silhouette that screamed performance. It looked fast even when standing still. Design cues like its flying buttress, C-pillars, an integrated rear spoiler that was ahead of its time, and unique go-pack styling elements, which often included aggressive racing stripes, twin hood scoops, and special wheel treatments, further set it apart from anything else on the road. The AMX wasn't just a car. It was a bold, aesthetic statement. It was a muscle car that didn't just perform. It commanded attention with a look that was both audacious and sophisticated, a blend of European sports car flair and raw American power. This ingenious blend of powerful, reliable engineering and groundbreaking, individualistic styling truly defined AMC's approach to the muscle car era, proving that different could be better. 1969 AMC AMX California 500 Special. While the Hearst cars proved AMC could dominate on the drag strip, other ultra-rare AMX variants showcased their commitment to unique style and a brilliant strategy of targeting specific, influential markets. Enter the 1969 AMC AMX California 500 Special. With only 32 units ever produced, this is peak exclusivity and a true collector's dream. A car that tells a story of cultural influence. Clad in one of AMC's vibrant Big Bad colors like Big Bad Orange, Green, or Blue, often contrasted with a bold white racing stripe, these cars were designed not just to move, but to pop. They were a direct, brilliant nod to the burgeoning, colorful, and influential car culture emerging from the West Coast, where individuality and vibrant aesthetics were highly prized. These specials weren't just about a flashy paint job. They often included unique badging, styled steel wheels, and a sense of built-in exclusivity that resonated deeply with buyers looking for something truly different from the mass-produced offerings. The California 500 Special wasn't just a car. It embodied the spirit of freedom, individuality, and counterculture that defined the era. It was a muscle car that dared to be both powerful and playful, proving that AMC could inject both formidable performance and an expressive personality into its offerings. Each of the 32 California 500 Specials became a rolling piece of art, a vibrant emblem of its time, showcasing AMC's innovative willingness to push boundaries beyond just raw horsepower and engage directly with the cultural zeitgeist. They proved that AMC was listening to its audience and ready to deliver cars that were as much about identity as they were about speed. AMC's final fight for muscle car supremacy might not have ended with them dominating the market, but their legacy is undeniably powerful, and their impact far greater than their sales numbers suggest. The Hearst Superstock AMX, the California 500 Special, and their robust V8 engines weren't just footnotes in history. They were bold, defiant declarations. They prove that with passion, innovation, and an unyielding willingness to challenge the status quo, even the smallest player could leave an indelible mark on an industry ruled by giants. AMC's muscle cars were ultra-rare, fiercely independent, and utterly unforgettable, a testament to a company that always fought above its weight class, delivering performance and style that stood alone. Their story reminds us that sometimes the biggest, most impactful legacies come from the most unexpected places.